Are you tired of spending hours cleaning messy Excel or CSV files by hand? In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create a Python script that does the work for you automatically. We'll start right at the beginning, by setting up Python on your machine so you can run scripts with ease. Then, we'll move into building a cleanup script step by step using ChatGPT. Together, we'll standardize headers, remove duplicates, clean text fields, and reshape the data into a format that's ready for reporting. By the end, you'll see how just a few prompts can turn a repetitive manual task into a one-click automation, freeing up your time to focus on the work that really matters. Let's start by installing Python on your computer. Just follow along step by step. Step 1. Download Python. First, go to python.org. From there, download the latest Windows installer. I'm using the 64-bit version, but choose the one that matches your system. Step 2. Install Python. Run the installer. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path. This allows you to run Python from the command prompt. I also recommend enabling administrative privileges. Click Install, and when prompted, disable the path length limit. This will help avoid issues later. Step 3. Verify installation. To make sure Python is installed correctly, open the command prompt and type Python version. If you see a version number, you're good to go. Step 4. Install required packages. Next, we need to install a few packages for working with Excel files. In the command prompt, type pip install pandas openpyxl. Press Enter, and wait for the installation to complete. That's it. Python and the required libraries are now installed. You're ready to run scripts and work with our sample datasets. The idea is simple. We'll tell ChatGPT exactly what we want done, from cleaning headers to reshaping the table, and it will write the Python script for us. Once the script is ready, we'll run it, select our CSV file, pick a save location, and get a perfectly cleaned Excel file almost instantly. Here's the example we'll work with. The CSV file has messy headers, extra spaces, inconsistent column names like unit price or unit_price, multiple date formats, and null values. We also need to trim text fields, convert data types, remove duplicates, reshape the layout from wide to long, and calculate a total price column. To automate this, I wrote a clear, detailed prompt for ChatGPT, listing every cleaning step and example. I also asked it to make the script Windows-friendly so it can run from command prompt, include comments in the code, and output 2 sheets, one in the cleaned wide format, and one in a long unpivoted format. After pasting the prompt into ChatGPT, it generated the complete Python code. Now here's where ChatGPT really shines. After the first run, I realized I wanted the headers to look a very specific way, not just cleaned, but following my exact format. So instead of rewriting the whole script myself, I simply went back into ChatGPT and gave it a new instruction. I said, please update the script so that the headers output exactly like this, and then I pasted an example table with my desired headers. ChatGPT responded by showing me 2 options. A small modification snippet, where I could copy and replace just the affected section. Or a full updated script, ready to paste in and save again. I copied the new code, saved it over my original file, selected my CSV file, and chose where to save the clean version. The process took only a few seconds from start to finish. When I opened the results, the improvements were clear. All dates were standardized. Column names were consistent. Null values were cleaned up. The second sheet contained an unpivoted version of the data, ready for reporting. The total price column was calculated automatically. If I ever want to make changes, like removing rows where total price is blank or 0, I can simply tell ChatGPT to update the script. It can provide a small code snippet or a complete updated file. This flexibility makes it easy to refine your automation over time. From now on, every time I get this dataset, I can clean it in seconds. This is a perfect example of how ChatGPT can take repetitive, daily data cleanup tasks and turn them into fast, automated workflows.